بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Wa salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khair for the question. Things that break the fast in general, it's number one, having food or drink intentionally inside the mouth. And of course, the second one is having a marital relationship or intimate relationship also during the fast. Now, coming to injections, hijama, in most of the scholars, actually, they said it does not break the fast. Having injections or IV fluid, it depends on the kind of injection and what kind of an IV fluid. In general, any injection that goes under the category of food, like let's say it's vitamins or it's an IV fluid because of dehydration, these usually break the fast because it is getting nutrition to the body. But if it is an injection, let's say for an antibiotic, or it's an injection for pain, then this usually does not break the fast, and Allah knows best.